Hi kids, welcome to Kaiko Lessons. The chapter which we are going to discuss today is A Happy Child, which is taken from the book Marigold, English, Class 1, NCERT syllabus. And this is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video. A Happy Child. Enjoy this poem. My house is red, a little house. A happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long. I hardly ever cry. I have a tree, a green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. Let us see the new words given in this poem. Cry, day, red, and sun. Let us see the meanings and also make sentences for the new words. Cry, to shed tears because of sadness. Pawan cry when he is hungry. Day, the time between sunrise and sunset. I begin my day with a smile on my face. Red, color of blood, cherries and tomatoes. Red is my favorite color. Sun, it is a huge ball of fire or a star that gives heat and light. The sun rises in the east. Let's read. The sun shines in the sky. I have a red pen. Read and match the words with the pictures. Draw a line. I am a boy. Who he is? He is a boy. B-O-Y, boy. So, this picture have to be matched to boy. Who is she? She is a girl. So, G-I-R-L, girl, needs to be matched to this picture. You need to draw a line like this. Fun with colors. Fill in the box with the right color. What is the color of the happy child's house? Red color. R-E-D. What is the color of your house? It is pink. P-I-N-K. What is the color of the tree? It is green. G-R-E-E-N. What is the color of the sun? It is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Let's talk. Is there a tree growing near your house? Tell us about the tree. Is it big or small? Yes, there is a tree growing near my house. It is a big tree. Do you like the tree? What is the name of the tree? Yes, I like the tree. It is a mango tree. Let's share. There are many kinds of houses. Circle the ones you have seen. What are the different kinds of houses? Hut, igloo, flat and bungalow. In this, which all houses you have seen? I have seen all the four houses. So I have circled all the four houses. Let's draw. Draw a house here and talk about it. You kids, draw a house in this page and talk about your house. How do you feel? Draw and say. When you get a new dress, I feel happy. When you get hurt, I feel sad. When you share your things, I feel happy. When you are ill, I feel sad. Draw lines from the house to the people who live in your home. This is my home. Who all lives in your home? My grandfather, my grandmother, my father, my mother, my sister and my brother. So you have to draw lines like these. Trace the numbers on the dotted lines. Kids, you need to trace the number like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You also kids Trace the numbers in your book. How many people live in your house? Right here. 7 people live in my house. Sing. Jack in the box sits so still. Won't you come out? Yes, I will. Join the dotted lines. Right. You have to join these dotted lines in this way. This is B. This is C. And it goes in anti-clockwise direction. This is O. Look in the mirror. What do you see? I see myself in the mirror. Draw your face in this circle. You kids, draw your face in this circle. And also trace these letters. Collect pictures of a cat, a cow, a dog and a sheep from old books or newspapers and paste them below. Here are those animals: a cat, a cow, a dog and a sheep. Trace over the dotted lines and complete the monkey's tail. Kids, trace these dots and complete the monkey tail. Here is the completed one. Sing. Monkey, monkey on a tree, swing, 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 swing. The following have lost their babies. Trace along the maze using different colors and find them. One has been done for you. Kids, you trace along these maze and find their babies. What is the young one of cow called? It is calf. Where it is? It is here. So you need to go through by this way. You have to come by this and you have to reach it. Similarly, you do for other animals. What is the young one of butterfly called? Caterpillar. Here it is. What is the young one of dog called? It is puppy. Here it is. What is the young one of cat called? It is kitten. The way is already provided here. The young one of kangaroo, it is called joey. Young one of duck, it is duckling. Here it is. So you need to trace through this way. The young one of lion, it is called cub. Here it is. You have to go through this way and you have to reach here. Thank you, kids.